My name is Neil Schultz. I'm co-founder of Altrac. Altrac helps farmers control and monitor their equipment. We allow them from their phone to turn machines on and off, shut them down when they're not needed. So a connected product helps Altrac and it helps our manufacturers and distributors by allowing them to remotely monitor their clients' and customers' equipment. It's good to know how many hours it ran, and so the distributor can give kind of preemptive care and give a really, really high level of service to their customers. The process of building an IoT product with Particle was relatively easy. The main things we were looking for when choosing a partner for our company, first off, the product has to work, and Particle proved that. And secondly, it's a partnership, it's a marriage. And so we really needed to have some flexibility around our business model. And Particle was more than willing to work with us to achieve a result that I think everyone's really, really happy with.